So you want two outputs for the same exact cell. We have this sort of situation where we have a monitor or an HD monitor, we're selling an item, and we have a payment plan, or we pay in full. So we want to know what is the first payment here. Now, if the pay type, let's do drop down here, is planned, we want to say, okay, only a third of this, or a 12th of this if it's like a yearly plan. And if it's full, meaning just pay the whole thing in full, we want to have in the first payment column the entire price. So we're going to hit done, and this is just a drop down. This could be text, it doesn't really matter, it's just text. So we have a plan here, and we say full here. Based on that, we want in this D column to do something different. So if it's a plan, so if, use the if formula, and we select the C2 here, or type in C2, and is equal to plan. If it's only two things, you can do this because it's only going to be true or false. And if the value is true, we're going to take this number, divide it by 12. And if it's false, we're just going to have that number. And so you see here, based on this first logical expression, we can have two different outputs in the same cell. And we can copy paste this and say, okay, this full one, that's just $500. However, what if you have more than two things here? It's not just true or false. Well, we do have switch, and that expression is just going to be C2. And in the case that it is plan, do this divided by 12. And maybe we have yearly plan here, and we also have quarterly plan. And for each case, whatever that is, we're going to put a new thing here. So we divide it by 4. And if it's full, we're just going to have this number. So for each match, there's going to be a different output. And it's going to say no match here because we don't have yearly plan, but we can just add them here. We can say yearly plan, add another item, quarterly plan, click done, apply to all. Let's change that to yearly plan. And you see now we have the payments. We can also format this as dollars. And here, if we have quarterly plan, it's just dividing it by 4. There you have multiple outputs, same cell, based on some kind of text value. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.